gonna say the man tingle his toes. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying blessed. Today is a Saturday and we are over here at Surprise Honda. We have a big video for you because this is the Type R show. This is the Acura NSX. We got some S2000'S here. And yeah, it's really Honda day over here at Honda Surprise. So I'm gonna take you guys for the wild ride, show you all the cars, everything like that, show you some people, introduce you to some new people, etc. So before we get this video started, if you guys could like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love and blessings. Let's take a walk around, y'all. Here's my car. Then we got the Boost Blue here. Show you guys the S2000'S. There's cars everywhere. All the Type R's over there. 27-1. That's the homie Chase's car. Rally Red. Got this Type R here, SGP. I believe those are Zach's old wheels. Correct me if I'm wrong. His car's over there. Got an SI. And his girlfriend's SI. Another SI. Okay, another Type R. Pulled up right here. Okay, got some Yankees. So over here, people around this car. Nice. I believe that's Dominique's car. Homie Logan's. Very nice. There's Zach's. Y'all look at this. He put the Even Cherry carbon fiber inlet in there, right there. Up close. Rampage or PRL 3.5 MAF, race MAF. Alright, he added the titanium nuts, everything. Even over there. Chasing Racing, I believe what it's called. Titanium. Look at that. A lot of cool stuff, you know. New wheels, 275s. Another SGP. Nice. I love this color on the Type R. Looks like these are 19s, right?
Well,
yep.
I daily drive mine, so that's why I don't.
Very nice.
I'm worried about potholes now. I got a sidewall on there.
Logan, you want to say what's up to the vlog, man?
What's up,
Logan?
YouTube Nation?
Yeah. Skylyfe Projects. Want to stand by your car, bro?
No. Yeah. I don't want to stand by my car with these NSX'S out here.
Yeah, I'm going to show you guys those in a sec, but let's walk over to Logan's.
Don't look at the dirty engine bay. It's summertime here. It's hot, so you know.
So I was telling them that you have an inlet pipe from PRL
inlet pipe,
and then the race MAF.
And then we got the grill.
He's got the flex fuel kit, you guys, right there.
Tuned on E54 by my dude Derek Robinson. IMW tuned.
Let's get him. Okay, say what you're saying again.
Tuned by Derek Robinson, IMW. Beautiful tune. Car runs great. E54, nice. Baby.
And then you're getting a strut bar soon, or no strut bar soon?
I know you like that strut bar,
I
but
do.
I feel like that it's stiff enough, and it's just, I'm all about horsepower, as you can tell.
You want to say what's up to the vlog, man?
My little guy, my other bigger little guy.
What's up, bro?
He's the YouTuber.
Dad did good? He did good on his car? Is it fast?
Yes.
It dips.
Yeah.
It dips high.
When are you guys going to drive it?
You got a while. I need to teach him how to drive stick.
Yep. You gonna learn on stick, man?
Yeah. He's got a little GTI with the DSG, so he's not stick oriented yet.
For sure. All right, Logan. Thanks for being in the vlog, man.
Yes, sir. Thanks for coming, man.
Salute. All right, guys. So there's some NSX's here. Got a green one. I can't even talk to him.
Polished metallic. And that was the car that I was supposed to end up with.
Silver.
And I let it go. Like when I ordered mine.
I was
got an orange one right here. All right.
I think they were pushing.
These are beautiful, y'all. This is $1 million car status, supercar status. Gotta be millionaire. Goals. Look at APR splitter right there. Very nice. Sick. Alright, those are the NSX'S. Yeah, you guys, there is definitely a lot going on here. Wow, look at this APR performance spoiler, carbon fiber, in and out, top, bottom. Then, wow, that's sick. Beautiful. Homie Brent's, as you guys seen, he's been in the channel many times. Homie Taz's has been in the channel a lot as well. Brent's got the VLANs. He's got the Acuity short throw shifter. Nice. Rampage. Taz's. There's another one pretty close. Got more cars over there as well. Alright, show you guys from the top. Right there. Alright, all the type R's online. Yeah. Blues Blue, Black Pearl, Championship White, SGP, and then look over here. We got a limited. This is the owner right here.
What's up, Skylyfe?
What's up, man? How you doing, bro? You want to be in the vlog, man? You good? So, this your car?
Yes.
How do you like it?
It's fucking awesome. Smile every day.
Right? Work hard, play hard, right?
Every day.
Beautiful, man. Any plans for it?
Basic bolt-ons and tune.
Basic bolt-ons tune. Going with Honda?
Haven't decided yet.
Gotcha. Very beautiful, man.
Thank you.
It's good meeting you, bro.
You too.
What's up, man? You want to say what's up?
What's up, man?
Your car
Project, yeah.
right there, right?
Yeah.
This is the man with the droid. He's got the droid flying around. Where is it? I want to see it.
It's already done.
It's already done. Oh, okay. He already flew
Maybe
it
later
around.
on again.
Nice, nice.
Yep.
His car is right there, you guys. I know him very well. He's been in, what, 3 events I've been in with you, right?
Yep.
3 or 4 maybe? Nice, man. Cool. Gino, we'll say what's up to the vlog. Car's looking beautiful, bro. His is right here, you guys. Gino, you want to talk about it? Look at that. Powder coated Titan TS5s. Wow. With the titanium R40s iconics, right?
Yep.
Beautiful. Open end?
Yep.
Attaboy.
275, 35, 18R.
Tell everybody, do open end, man. No cap. There's no caps in this type of. Love open end. Beautiful. Are you getting this blasted, Gino?
No. No.
Nope.
Just the way it is.
You like the way it is?
Yep.
For sure. Yeah, because if I get mine blasted, which I already have, I'm going to have to change out all those titanium, that's especially the strut bar ones. So I'll order those here in a bit. Beautiful, man. Any interior work, sir?
No interior work. It's all stock.
Alright.
NVIDIA R400 exhaust, Purell HVI, Purell inlet pipe, turbo blankets, Mishimoto intercooler. It's all about airflow and heat.
Correct. And you did the flex fuel kit or not?
Nope.
Nope.
Not doing flex.
Me either. That's right, Gino. Hey, I mean either, man. I'm not doing it either, you guys. So good choice.
It doesn't need any more power.
It doesn't need it. That's what I said. It does not need it. Gino, you're going to be the one helping me with my Honda, making sure the base map's running correctly with the mods I have.
Yep.
As you guys know, the front pipe is almost here. It should be next week from RV6. I know it's taken like 3.5 months to get here. No, bro. The EPR spoiler arrived 3 days ago at my mother's house. I got the inlet from PRL blasted coming on the way, option 3. What else? Yeah, gonna order the Rampage strut tower nuts. But yeah, thank you, Gino, for being in the vlog, man.
Yes, man. I like your videos.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate it.
Later.
Skylyfe Projects. Later, man.
Have a good day at work. Oh, I will. All right, man. Take it easy.
All right, bro. Thanks for being in the vlog, man.
Oh, no problem. Take it easy.
Drive safe.
I will.
Drive hard but safe.
Jay, I'm ugly.
Oh, here's Brent. This motherfucker's in the vlog now, man. What's up, bro?
How's it going, dog?
Want to stay by your car? So, Brent, let's talk about what we wanted to talk about in the video. So, what you got done? You got the Mishimoto
intercooler, oil cooler, parallel intake, Mishimoto red radiator hoses, the coolant tank, and the catch can.
Right.
And I'm waiting for my PRL titanium anodized inlet pipe to come in.
What strut bar are you going with, sir?
Strut bar?
Yep.
I don't know. I'll see if Rampage makes one.
Right, that'd be dope. How dope would that be? If they
That'd
made
be
one?
gangster as shit.
That'd be the most gangster strut
If
bar.
I could find a plain titanium strut bar and be like, hey Rampage, if I send you this titanium strut bar, can you anodize it for me, please?
Brent, let's talk about this. What we got going on here?
What's that?
What are you upgrading that to?
This?
Yeah, the MAF.
I'm gonna get the Rampage 3.5 when I have Pond data.
Same here, guys. As I said, Brent and I are both getting the Rampage MAF 3.5 anodized, right? Or are you getting
It'll look like
titanium?
Taz's. I'm gonna get this one just like Taz's.
Oh, the titanium?
Hell yeah, dude, that shit look dope.
Oh yeah, we gotta get the titanium. What is that, 250?
350.
350? Holy God.
The regular one's 250.
Okay, so he's got the
Because they're
Mishimoto
built to order.
oil catch can just like me. See, we both have these mods for sure.
Yeah.
And then we both have the PRL.
And then I'm gonna get the spoon red valve cover, the turbo blanket, the downpipe blanket, and I want to get the steel braided clutch line. I got to do the clutch delay valve delete, adjust the pedal, and then get the Australia Flow Design kit or the Mugen kit. I'm
Very
excited.
nice. Awesome. Thanks, Brent, for being in the vlog again. I mean, you're always in my videos. We're partners, so.
And I'm getting a tow bar from Racing Seg that makes the shift knobs that I get. I got a new knob on the car too.
Hey, tell about your wheels real quick. Go up to your wheels real quick. What's going on with those?
Vivid and all their
Go by your wheels, bro.
bullshit.
So what are you switching them out to, man?
They're getting the Avant-Garde M310s.
M310s Avant-Garde.
18 by
Okay.
9s.
18 by 9, 5?
No, just 9.
9. Okay. What's the offset?
38.
38.
So they'll look like Darren's wheels, but different
So
brand.
you're gonna run 255 40s,
265 35s.
18.
Got them at home. Got tires at home, got lug nuts at home, just need the rims.
So Vivid's not doing good, huh? Damn.
Hell no,
Vivid.
I'm gonna contact the guy that Gino gave me information on again on Monday and figure out what's going on with him.
Yeah. Let me hit up Tyler, man. Too.
Yeah,
And
I'll give you the
ask
order
him.
numbers.
He's just super busy, bro, but he's gonna help you. I promise you he'll help you. Tyler's good.
Well, when I emailed the guy, messaged the guy that Gino gave me,
Yeah.
I had a full update in 30 minutes.
Man.
But when I hit, hey, I would like an update on the website, I get an email 2 days later and still no official update.
Damn.
Bullshit.
All right, guys. Well, we got donuts here. I'm gonna turn it off here in just a second. I'll be back. But yeah, got donuts here. Coffee, cardboard. So, a lot of people are pulling up. There's a ton of Type R's here. You guys, there's NSX'S, there's S2000'S, there was a 94 Type R over there, I believe, the hatch, and it's gone now, so I don't know where that went. It's right next to my car too. But anyways, all right, y'all, I'm gonna check back with you in a bit. I'm gonna get some coffee, get a donut, and I'll be right back with you. Much love and blessings, everyone. One. All right, y'all, we got Hyro here in his Boost Blue Type R. He has the Vivid Racing exhaust, the brand new titanium exhaust, and you guys are gonna hear it for the first time on the channel. All right, hold up, guys. Here we go. Wow, very nice. All right, wife, you guys have a good one.
You too.
Drive safe. Drive
next
hard,
time.
drive safe. All right, man. Later, brother. All right, guys, welcome back. We got Zach here, who is actually our group leader. I'm sure you guys have seen him on the channel before. 3, 4, maybe 5 videos, actually, somewhere around there. Zach, thank you for being in the vlog, man. You want to say what's up?
What's up, guys? My name is Zach. As you guys may know, I run a YouTube channel as well, Zach
Herder, H-E-R-D-E-R. My Instagram is the same thing, Zach_Herder.
I'll throw it right up here. All
right on, thank you guys. It's my 2019 Civic Type R. She's a little bit more than full bolt-on. She's running a full race, drop-in Mitsubishi turbos. She has the Venturi inlet carbon pipe, the Rampage race mass airflow sensor housing.
3.5, right?
Yep. I've got some little bits and pieces of the Chasing J's titanium for those of you guys that like that type of stuff. PRL intake, PRL intercooler. It has the American modified grill. It's currently tuned by Taylor King out of Performance C. It has a 271 exhaust as well.
Sounds beautiful, trust me.
And she's sitting on some super speed wheels on 275, 35, 18s, lowered on some H&R springs.
Hey, H&R. Shout out to H&R. I got them too. We love them, right, Zach?
Absolutely. Just
beautiful.
the right amount of drop.
This looks really, really good, man.
Yeah, it looks a lot better than I was thinking it was going to look, actually. So it kind of has me wanting to... I'm not a big fan of the, you know, no engine cover, so I like the darkness. So I think C-Bond or a couple other manufacturers make an all carbon cover that will complement that really well.
I'm going to be doing that. Carbon. Yep.
Yeah.
Or the spoon red.
Yeah, that'll be really cool.
Yeah.
Yep.
You also did the grill too, right, Zach?
Yeah, it's an American modified grill. You definitely hear lots more turbo noises from it and a lot of more induction noise because instead of having all that black plastic, it literally goes all into the intake, right into there. So
this is strong right here, the mesh?
It's pretty thin, but there's so many holes in it that it's okay.
Yeah, but if you hit a road debris or something, that'll smash it right through, right?
Probably.
Yeah.
So
it's nice though, man. I like it the way it looks, for sure.
It's a good thing for your buck. So
I would just be worried about the road debris, but other than that,
yeah,
it looks pretty phenomenal.
Oh sure.
Oh, Gino's back. Gino, what's up, man?
Hey.
Cool. I think that's everybody.
Cool.
All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please smash that like. Please smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Much love and blessings. Until next time, this is Skylyfe Projects. See y'all later.
Team, only things we talk about. Money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win. Posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me. Like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounded. Fill my cup up for the